Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the drone to a safe charge level and placing it on a flat surface. This prevents spurious errors while you read hardware data. Next, launch the DJI app or Assistant 2 on your computer because the serial is read over a live link. Connect the remote, then link the drone to the app via Wi-Fi or USB cable. Once connected, navigate to the aircraft settings so you can access deeper system info rather than just flight logs. Once done connecting, go to the aircraft or system info area because DJI hides hardware ID under settings. In the mobile app, open About or Aircraft Info. In Assistant 2, plug the drone via USB and select Aircraft Info. Scroll to the Flight Controller or Main Controller section where you'll find FCSN, Flight Controller SN, or serial number. Read and copy it exactly. The format often includes letters and numbers and is required for firmware or repair requests, so accuracy matters. After you record the flight controller serial, confirm it by checking both the mobile app and DJI Assistant 2 because occasional display bugs occur. If the serial is missing, reboot the drone, ensure firmware is current, and reconnect via a direct USB cable. Software access often reveals hidden fields after an update. If problems persist, contact DJI support and provide model aircraft serial and what you tried. That expedites diagnosis and repair authorizations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.